To get US visa photos, you could use a photo booth called photo-me. So get inside and sit on this orange stool. Touch on the screen to start. Select Take Approved Photos. Select Passport and Visa Photos. And then select Printed Visa Photos for US and India. And finally, select US Visa Approved Photo, which costs £10. The payment would be at the end, and you could use contactless or credit card. And if you would use cash, it's not going to give you any change. So tap on OK to continue. Here are some simple guidelines on your photos standard. For example, how to look and what not to wear. So tap on OK, wait for the camera to adjust automatically, sit up straight and look straight ahead to the camera right in front of you. And you would need to adjust the lens so that your face would be inside this oval shape. If you would tap on head higher, it would move your head higher. In this example, I need to tap on head lower to bring my face lower so that my face would be inside the oval shape. Tap on the up arrow or down arrow to fine tune and make sure your eyes are in between these two parallel lines and your face is right at the center of the vertical line. Once you're happy, tap on OK. Take your photo. So sit straight up and look ahead. The countdown would start from 3. Keep still and try not to close your eyes. This is the taken photo and shows that it has been approved. You can tap on OK to choose this photo, or to take another photo, select I take another photo. You could again adjust the lens height if you have to and try one more time. You can try 3 times in total and then you could choose the photo that you like the most. I got only one photo that got approved, so I select that. If you're not happy with your photos, you could tap on the cross to cancel it. Otherwise, tap on OK, pay for your purchases. Visa and MasterCard are accepted. If you got a contactless, tap on the card reader. Then you get printing in progress. You can collect your photos from the outside of the machine. There's a slot. Just pick up your photos. US visa photo size is 5 by 5 centimeter and it should be taken within the last 6 months. And finally, make sure to cut them into separate photos before taking them to the US embassy. All the best.